Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is probably going to be a really short video, but I did want to show you guys what came in the mail a couple of days ago. As most of you know, I've been in the market for some JDM fog lights and bezels for my STI, and I finally found some. They came in the mail a couple of days ago, and they're sitting right in front of me. I haven't opened them, so this is going to be my first time seeing it, along with your guys' first time seeing it. So I thought it'd be pretty cool to get my first reaction to the fog lights. So this is the JDM fog lights and bezels. We're gonna go ahead and unbox those. Also guys, we noticed that in our videos our audio has been pretty bad lately, so this is the mic that we use, and what I just figured out is we haven't been using this, so the audio that you guys are hearing right now is straight from the camera, and for some reason I'm not sure if the actual cord for the mic is what's messed up or if it's the actual connection inside the camera that's bad, but I'm gonna go ahead and connect this to maybe Camacho's camera. If it doesn't pick up audio, then we know it's the mic. If it does pick up audio, then we know that our camera input is messed up. So hopefully it's just the mic. Even though this was pretty expensive, I'd rather replace this than a DSLR. So I did also pick up my side skirts from Josh's house, and I'm gonna go ahead and send these off to paint along with the JDM bezels. I don't know how long I actually want to run the STI side skirts. I'm honestly not a huge fan of these, but I guess they'll work for now until I find some new ones that I like. Now moving on to the box. Before I open this, guys, I kind of want to give you a reason to why I went with the JDM fog lights instead of sticking with the original fog light covers. So as most of you guys know, I did mold a Cusco style lip to the front bumper of my car, and when I did that, I didn't really realize that I was making the body lines of the front bumper kind of just disappear. The STI front bumper comes with fog light covers, and then you have like side splitter pieces that go on the ends that have like a canard almost on them, and those are all pretty cool body lines that make the STI bumper just look 10 times better. When I molded that lip to it, I lost all of that. So the only thing that the bumper would have would be these fog light covers. And when I went to put these on after that lip got molded, these just look super out of place. Just think of it as like a wall, and you just have one little brick that's showing. So it just kind of looked out of place. I didn't really like the way it was looking, and that's when I decided that I wanted to go with the fog lights. I think these are going to look 10 times better than these would have looked on the car anyway. So let's go ahead and unbox them. Like I said, this is my first time opening them, so you guys are going to see my first reaction to them. I think it's going to be pretty cool. So I'm sure a bunch of you guys want to know what pricing these actually go for. And from what I saw when I was looking for them, they go anywhere from like 350 bucks to maybe 500. So those are the prices that I saw at least. Super happy that I was able to find them. Mostly because of you guys. A lot of you guys hit us up on Instagram and were like showing us different spots that had them, and I was able to actually find them that way. So here we go. These are the brackets for the fog lights. So I'm assuming these go behind the bezels and the fog lights. So he sent me both of them out. There we go. Holy shit. These are actually so much bigger than I expected. I've seen a bunch of pictures on these fog lights, and they do not look this big. So here is the first bezel. Holy shit, look at that. I did not expect them to be this big, but god damn, they look so good. I love this little vent right here. This is probably my favorite part about them, is that side vent. I love that. So there's the first bezel right there. There's the second bezel right there. Dope. These are sick. This one has a little crack in here. Something we can definitely get fixed. Alright guys, moving on to the actual fog lights. Here we go. These are packaged very well, by the way. Thank you, Mike. Here we go. We got the first fog light right here, and I went with the multicolor fog light. So these are amazing. These are awesome. I love these. This is definitely what I was going for. I wanted the multicolor ones. Has like that yellow and blue in there. if you guys can see that. That is awesome. So super excited to finally have these in my hands. Damn. So there's the second one right there. Guys, I'm so excited for these, man. I am so excited for these. I can't believe I finally got them. These are so sick. Check that out. That's how they're gonna look. God damn, these are sick, guys. Holy shit. These are so sick. Also want to give a huge thank you to the subscriber that hooked us up with these. He got us in contact with Mike, the guy that sold me the fog lights, and he made it happen. So thank you so much, dude. You're awesome. I really appreciate it. So here's a closer look at them. And these are in like perfect condition. There's no scratches on them, no cracks or anything. They look really, really nice. Same with this one over here. Same exact thing. No damages. I love the color on these guys. I think this is gonna go well with the new color of the car. And then of course the only damage that it has is up top here, but we can get that fixed with the guy that's painting my car. He will have no issues cleaning these up, making them look nice again. I was super happy again that I was able to find these, especially with the brackets too. That's awesome. So I got everything good to go. The only thing that is going to be challenging is actually clipping these into the bumper. My bumper does have still the damage on the tab, so the holes where these tabs go into are still damaged on my car, so we'll have to figure out how exactly we're gonna put those in without them falling out or anything like that. I would hate to have waited so long for these and then just have them fall out one day, so we're definitely gonna make sure we have those in there secured properly. But what do you guys think, man? These are gonna look so good on the STI. As far as these fog light covers, I don't know what to do with them, honestly. I don't think I have a use for them, so if any of you guys want them, hit me up. Definitely let those go. You guys probably saw the picture of the STI here. I kind of put that there for a reason today. I've gotten a lot of people kind of angry with the way my car has turned out. I've gotten a lot of people tell me that I've ruined the STI, and you know, that's fine. Everyone is definitely entitled to their opinion. The one thing I do want to say about this is that the STI, the way you guys are seeing it, it's not the finished product. A lot of people, or I like to think that people assume that this is what the car is going to be and that's it. Guys, maybe it was my fault, maybe it wasn't, that the flares turned out the way they turned out. Maybe I shouldn't have rushed it. Maybe I should have waited until I was able to paint match them, have money to do other things to it. You know, maybe, I don't know. I really don't know, but the thing that I do know is I know what the end result of this STI is in my head. I knew it from the minute I got it. I knew exactly what I wanted to do with it. So I definitely understand where some of you are coming from, being frustrated, because the thing that I learned is that people always want to see the end result and they want to see it quickly. And when that doesn't happen, you get backlash. And it's fine, you know. I understand. I've been there before. For those of you who are really interested in this build and seeing where it goes, I just ask you guys to be patient. We're going to be getting the STI back hopefully mid-September, and I guarantee you guys it will not disappoint. And I mean this in like the most humbling way, because I'm never one to rub it in people's faces or like throw it back into their faces and say I told you so. I think that's definitely just the wrong way to look at things. All the negative comments, I take them as constructive criticism. I see them as something to honestly motivate me. So I definitely think that you sometimes need that backlash or those negative comments just to push you a little harder, and then you always have the backup of everyone else. I don't know, guys, that's just my opinion on things. Like I said, I understand the frustration, but I ask you guys to be patient. We're gonna get the car back soon, and like I said, I have this vision already in my head of it done, and it's crazy. I can't wait for you guys to see it. But I think that's gonna do it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't